there, it's Perry with Paper Crafting Threads. Today, I have a fun new way to use baby wipes for coloring in card making and a bonus with press and seal. Let's get started.
I die cut multiples of the flower parts and the foliage from the Simply Zinnia die set on Fluid 100 watercolor paper.
Applied my ink straight to my glass mat, or you can also use it on your acrylic block. And using a clean baby wipe, just go straight to the Fluid 100 watercolor paper. Adding more and less pressure or more or less ink gives you color variations. I find this method a lot faster than watercoloring with a water painter. So to color my flowers, I'm doing the same method as I did for the leaves and the greenery, and using a clean baby wipe so I don't get green on my flowers. You're kind of almost like finger painting. I'm using Melon Mambo for one set of flowers, Daffodil Delight for another set, and Poppy Parade. I'm going to go back to my green and add just a tiny bit in the centers here. I'm going to assemble my buds. And when you're putting on the little star crown, put your glue towards the inner circle. Arrange your flowers and foliage however you'd like. Double check that it's going to fit on the front of the card. And my secret to getting the flowers onto the front of my card. I have a piece of press and seal here. One side is sticky, one side isn't. Place the sticky side down and press. Pick it up. I'm going to add glue dots on top of and under some of the layers, connecting things together. I'm not going to use dimensionals because this is fairly thick as it is, but you could add dimensionals if you wanted to. So all of the little bits have at least one glue dot somewhere near them. And then I'm also going to add some liquid glue to a few other spots. And I have my card front here that's embossed with a Simply Zinnia folder on basic white cardstock. And I have a piece of Starry Sky cardstock layered behind that and a basic white card base. So now that I have all my adhesive on here, I'm going to pick it up and center it on the front of my card. And press down into place. And then carefully remove the press and seal. So I have one little bit here that's not attached to anything, so I will add a glue dot to the bottom of it. And tuck that back in here. You can also adjust any other little bits and bobs that need to be adjusted. And there is the front of our card. This little guy slid down a little farther than I wanted, so I will adjust him. And then for the last touch, I'm going to add some stars, just randomly. So I'm placing dots of glue I stamped the sentiment in Starry Sky ink and cut the sentiment apart. I adhered the first part of my sentiment on the front of the card, and then I masked and stamped the rest of the sentiment on the inside of the card. And here's my finished card. For written instructions, visit my blog at... If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching. Bye!